This is a video demonstration of Vidtag. But before then, let me tell you what Vidtag does. Vidtag is an AI powered video player that makes navigating and searching video super easy. So what we do is we take any online video in any language and we auto transcribe and add a search box so that you can search through the content of a video or an entire video library. And we also give the ability to create an actionable table of contents. So, when you open up a video, the first thing you do is to look down at the timeline to see how long you're going to sit through and watch it all. Then you hit the back button and you look for something shorter or more to the point. What Vidtag does is to add an actionable table of contents. Instead of looking down at the timeline and clicking away, now we are able to view the timestamps and clickable sections of all the talking points of your video, whether it's a meeting or a webinar, whatever it is. So you can click on them to jump and watch exactly what you want. This is great for first-time viewers to skip around or if they need to reference back to something. If you provide a link, be it I'm just going to show you, be it a YouTube, Vimeo, or Facebook, Dropbox, or Google Drive. Also, we integrate with Zoom, where you can import your Zoom sections into Vidtags. Vidtags helps with increasing watch time and engagement and consumption of your video content. For instance, a corporate trainer who did a 3-hour presentation to a team of sales reps that fell asleep 7 minutes into the presentation. Now, when they go to watch the recording of that, they don't need to sleep again after 7 minutes and miss the whole thing. But rather, they can see and also search through the video for any point they missed or what is of interest to them. People don't watch much of your videos. The average person only watches a very small portion of your video content. This is because people don't want to sit through a long video. People don't want to sit and watch a 10 or 20 minutes video just to sit down and find out one or two things they are interested in. This is why Vidtag is created. The fun part of this is that these videos can be transcribed into several languages. Let me walk you through Vidtag so you'll be able to get clearer understanding of what I'm talking about. So I'm going to click on Add New. Then you can always use any of this method to import your video. But for this, I'm just going to pick a YouTube video here. Okay, let's just use this one that was created 4 hours ago. So I'm just going to grab the URL, copy. Then I'm going to click on YouTube. So I'm just going to add the video here, upload. So in few seconds, the video will be automatically imported. So once this video is being imported, the system will automatically transcribe this video based on the language of the original video. So right now it is initiating. It's just going to take a few minutes to render this video so that it will be able to pull the tabs and also the transcriptions. So we're just going to wait a little bit. Let me refresh this to see if it has completed. Okay, it has just in few seconds. Now the video has been rendered. We can see the transcription. Okay, now you can see this is the transcription. It's just a 2-minute video. So as it is now, you can let's assume you're watching this video and you can search through the video library. As you can see the search button here. Any point, let's say I'm looking for, say, let's say third term, or let me see a word that can be used here. Okay, let's say Indiana. So you can search through Indiana and you can start watching the video from that point. So the video start playing from that point, as you can see here. Okay, and another cool thing about the video about Vidtag. Another cool thing about Vidtag is that like you can see from here, it will start playing automatically. Another cool feature about Vidtag is that it can transcribe this video. As you can see, it's in US English. It can transcribe this video to another language. So where we can say add a language right now. Now we can select the language we want this video to be transcribed to. Okay, let's say we want it Italian. Then we can select our voice over whoever we want. We've got the AI type of voiceover. Also, we have the standard type. So you're gonna select this. Then you can always select the pitch, how you want it, and all that. So you can always click to add to transcribe this video. So we're going to have two versions of the video. We can have for the English, or can also have for the Italian version, where someone who is from another language can watch this video. And the one unique thing about Vidtag is, let's assume we have just these two languages. Anyone that is visiting that their browser language is Italian, they automatically see this Italian video version automatically. And also we can also add these videos anywhere on our website with the ability to search the videos, they were able to download the videos, able to do a lot of things in the video. So we just allow this to render. Once it renders, then I'll be able to import this video now and add to anywhere on my website. Basically, we've not really uploaded the latest version because we're still working on completing this project. So far, I'm just demoing from the previous version we uploaded. So new improved code will be added pretty. So let me see if it has been transcribed. Okay, still initiating. It's going to transcribe into another language. We can also do the same if we've got multiple languages that we want our videos to be in. We can always select that, say Danish. If we want it to be in Danish, we select the language we want it on. Wave mail. Okay, you can add this too. So this additional languages it's going to render. So I'm just going to pause this video. Once it finishes rendering, then I will come back and I will import the video into my website, so you'll be able to see how cool the features are. Okay, the Italian video has been fully rendered. We're just going to wait a little bit for the Danish version to render, so you can click if you want to watch the video. You know, it's the language will automatically be transcribed into Italian instead of English. Now the voiceover is going to be in Danish, I mean in Italian. So we're just going to wait for this. Then once it's completed, I can do the rendering. Okay, now the Danish version has been rendered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import the video. So I'm just going to click on to customize. Now the video can be made private, or you can make public. So once you make it public, then it's gonna be accessible to anyone that either have this URL or it can be embedded on our website. So I'm just gonna make it public. So I'm just gonna call this change this to election result. So as you can see, it's still in beta. You know, we've not uploaded the latest version where it's gonna pull the meta tags, you know, the descriptions, it's going to add keyword and also Google ranking, to the videos. So a lot of points, a lot of features is being worked on. We've completed it, but we've not uploaded it to the server. So let's get from the URL, and all that. So I'm just going to make this public, and once that has been done, we can share the video. We're also going to add more shareable functions, features. Just let me just click on this link so you'll be able to see if you're using just the link. Do that here. Now we can see the video. This is the video, or we can also they can like the video. This is the chapters. Like you can click on anywhere, like you can see the electors point to appointed to vote, by the end of the state of, probably you can click here. You can also you're going to start automatically where you can see when you click here, it automatically starts here. And also when we go to the introduction, click to the introduction, it automatically starts from the beginning. Also we can check the transcription. This is the transcript of the video. You can see here, this is transcript of the video. We can also search the video library, and wherever you search, whatsoever, let's say we'll look for Donald. As you can see Donald here, the video starts automatically where Donald was mentioned, which is at 1 minute and 26 seconds. You can see here. So, and this video also can you can also download the video in several formats. You can share the video. You can also enable or disable this. You can also embed these videos, the video in our website. Let's say we want to embed, we can select the embed position. If we want it just like at the bottom, this at the bottom, the searchable content and the table of contents is going to be at the bottom. If we want it at the right side, select the right side here. We can select the font color, and all that. More features will be added here which we've not uploaded. And we can also, what we don't want, if we don't want to show the full screen, if we want to disable anything here, we can do that here. But I'm just going to save and copy the code. So let me copy the code and paste on my website, so we just see how it looks. So let me just do this quickly. Okay, let's say I want to add the video here. Let me see. Code. Okay, so I want to add it here. So let's make this say this 800. Make this okay, yeah. Make no 1200. Yeah, by this is 350 also. Okay, we just add this, and we can save this, and we can preview to see how it looks. So you can always format however you want. Anything you don't want to show in your video, you can always do that. As you can see, you can always, if you don't want people to download the video, to share the video, or to, you can remove the project name and all that from your video. So let's just say from this video now, you can always search any path that we want to see from here. Unless, like say Donald, so it's gonna start from where I selected. You can see 1 minute and 26 seconds, and all that. Okay, that's just a brief introduction of Vidtags. I've got the whole funnel figured out. It's really a robust project. We're gonna have about four upsells. of this product. Okay, that's just a little bit about Vidtags. Thank you.